Hello everyone. Now we will understand how to create the primary key under the particular table. What is meant by the primary key? That one is a constraint uniquely identifies each record in a table. That is a column which one is mentioned as a primary key, which one is find out the particular record as a uniquely. For example, class student, every class Mr. Student have the roll number that's working as a unique ID and considering as a primary key. Then to identify the unique student, that one is simply primary key must contain a unique value, cannot contain a null value. We cannot store as a primary key as a null. Table can have only one primary key. This primary key can consist of a single or multiple columns. We can define a single column as a primary key or the combination of a multiple column. We'll just to create the one table and with a primary key table. That one is create table student with a roll number, then a roll number int as a primary key, then name as a varchar with the size of 20 and age of int, right? Then student is already exist. We just to change it with the student name or maybe or we just to modified or we just to firstly drop the existing table, drop student or the drop table student. Okay. Now we'll just to create a new table, then describe the table with a command with the table name is a student, right? It contains simply the roll number as a primary key because of we define as a roll number in primary key, right? Then name and age. This is simply the way to define the primary key. And now we'll just to create the primary key with a combination of two column. We just to copy this, okay, drop persons 3, drop person table 3. Now we just to copy this, right? It creates simply the create table person 3 ID, it's not null, last name varchar not null, first name age, constraint, then create a primary key of combination of two columns, that is ID and last name. We just to check it the description about the table as persons 3. It simply the shows ID and last name is a primary key. If we insert a record, insert into table name is a persons 3 and the values that is ID is 1, then last name that one is Tamdere, then first name that one is Srikanth, and the age that one is 37, right? Insert into table name and the values. That one is syntax. Okay, you should mention persons values, enter. Now it add the record, select star from persons 3. It contained a record, that one is one last name, first name and age. Now we will just to add the same record. It gives a duplicate entry for a combination of the ID and last name. That is we create the key with two columns, that is ID and last name, and that key is created 1 dash Dhamdere, and if we store the same record it gives an error, that one is duplicate entry for the 1 dash Dhamdere. We just to change the single value, that is we make it as a 2 as a ID and enter. then select star from. It contains a two record, last name, first name, age are the same, only the IDs are the different, right? That one is simply the use of the two column as a primary key and defined under the particular table. This is simply the explanation about the primary key. Then if you want to create the primary key for a table with a existing table, means we just to already have one table, create table, table name is considered as employee, and the content, that one is employee ID as an integer, comma, name varchar as 20. Okay, we just to create this table, then describe as employee, that one is employee ID and name with a key is null, not define a particular primary key for this table. Now we'll define a primary key for the employee table, EMP table. Now alter, that one is alter table with a table name employee, add primary key with a particular employee ID as a column. Okay, now we'll just to describe the table. Now with the existing table is not defined with the primary key. Now we will define a primary key for the existing table for the particular column, that means employee ID. Now we will just to drop the primary key, means we want to remove the primary key, then we will use a command, that is alter table, table name is employee, then drop primary key. Okay, now we will just to describe the employee. Now it's a remove the primary key with the help of alter table employee, drop the primary key, and it's just to removed. This is simply the explanation how to define the primary key to existing table, or it may be the to create the newly table, will define the primary key to the particular table with a single column or the combination of a two column. What exact the use of primary key? Which one is identifies a unique record under the particular table. Okay, thank you.